everybody, today I'm gonna solve Kioptrix level 2 from onehop.com. So if you wanna follow along with this tutorial or just video, just go to onehop.com and just download it, and you can follow along with this tutorial. So I'm using Kali Linux, and let's log in. And Kali, the default password is Kali, and that's it. And now we have got, let's open the terminal and use net discover sudo net discover. I guess okay, I have used only discover, so my mistake. Sudo net discover and hit enter. It will scan all the host that is available on my network. So here you can see the IP address of next VM. So this is our IP address. Let's use nmap to scan this. nmap-a, and let's use that option only and paste it, and let's hit enter. And while nmap is scanning all the ports which are open, this might take a few minutes, so we have to be patient and let's wait. So we have finished our nmap scan. Now we can see we have ports that are open, 22, which is for SSH, and we have port 80 open, and it has Apache 2.052 running on, and RCP bind, SSL, HTTP, and 631, that is COPS. So I'm gonna use and there is one more additional, that is my SQL in background is running on. So this means we can inject SQL, we can perform SQL injection. So let's head on to port 80. So let's copy this and let's open our Firefox. Let's paste it. So we have our remote, this is our login screen. That means let's perform a basic SQL injection. So I'm gonna write over here. So this is our basic SQL injections. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here, and let's paste it down over here, and let's try to log in. Okay, we have got our basic administrative with console. So we can ping this. So this seems like a command injection vulnerability. So let's ping our device. Let's submit it. Okay, it run like a charm. And let's try another. Let's use pipe and ls. Let's hit submit, and we have our command injection vulnerability. So we can use reverse TCP connection to get this access. So let's use this. So basically we are trying to get a bash shell. We are trying to get a shell. So let's open our terminal and listen port. Let's listen to port 544 and split it. And yes, session is 544. NC equal to dash LVP 5444. Let's hit enter. Okay, permission denied. Let's use, we are not sudo user, that's why we are getting problem. And let's use it, and it's listening at port 5444, and this is our IP address, and this is the port number that we are listening through. And let's submit it. I guess yes, now we have got the bash command and basic. Now it's time for privilege escalation. So right now we are Apache, that means this is a guest level, low level user. So we have to get root user. In order to get root user, and paste it. Okay, it's running CentOS release 4.5. So we have our Linux version 2.69. So let's use this. Let's solve some vulnerabilities. Let's paste it and use 2.6. So we need to be aware while we are solving. We don't want this to be blank screen, so just be aware of that. It might lose connection while you are solving it, so don't let that machine slip. So Linux version privilege escalation, let's try that. Exploit. So we have this. Okay, let us see this. Okay, it's not this. This is not the exploit. So exploit, and let's use another information that would be its version. Let's use CentOS 4.5. CentOS 4.5. Okay, now we have this. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is our exploit, so let's download it. Just replace exploit into download. After your download has been completed, let's go split this, I guess. and okay, let's exit and let's split horizontally, vertically, and let's clear this and let's go to download folder, and we have, see, this is our exploit, and we need this exploit to be running on our this cell. So in start our, let's start our Apache service, sudo service Apache to once our Apache service has been started, let's copy this www.html, then hit enter. Okay, we don't have sudo permission, so let's create. Once that's been done, let's check it now what's inside ls var www.html, and here we have our exploit. So let's download that. Since our Apache service has been running on, so let's use wget and use our IP address. That would be http //168.1.7/954.2.c. okay, then let's compile this. I hope it doesn't have any error, so let's output as D. Okay, no, our D has been, so let's run this. Okay, we have our cell running on, so let's try who am I. So we have got root. So this is how you solve this VM. Thank you.